Hey guys, what's up? So I just watched this guy video showing here how to set up workflow for that image, and I just tried to do that, but I realized you can do it in an easier way and even faster in my opinion. So as that image, what this guy showing here is how to set up a workflow and the run pod, the pod itself on run pod, but you can actually do it on WaveSpeed. Okay, so you can go to WaveSpeed desktop. As you can see, the quality is insane. I just play with it right now, and you're gonna choose WaveSpeed AI set image turbo LoRA. Okay, you can find it here. Let's do it together. So we're gonna go here to the model, and it's cost just guys just 1 cent per image. So I don't think it's even worth to go on ComfyUI, to be honest. It's just so cheap, right? And yeah, so let's just take a simple prompt here. So I put it here, 3:4. This is good resolution for Instagram. Seed -1. Just click run. You can see it's gonna be so fast, just in blink of an eye. Just like 3 seconds. And it's amazing, guys. It's full AI, and just do it with API WaveSpeed. You just download the guys there. I will put the link down below for the GitHub link, so you can download this application and then just put your API link and you can generate these images really easily. What I did here, I took this LoRA, I just copied and put it here, and it's still working amazing. I hope I put the LoRa URL correctly. I think I can also go here, the model ID, and copy the, let's see if it worked. Yes, it's look kind of similar, to be honest. You can train the LoRA, so you can create like 20 or 30 images with Cdream, okay, and then save them. The best resolutions is to be 2024 and 1024 or 1024, okay, so it's like a square. And then you're gonna go here on that image LoRA trainer for $1.25. You're gonna train your LoRA. Just put a trigger word as your model name. That's it. Make sure each prompt that you're gonna generate here, you're gonna put the trigger word. Okay. So for editing the custom LoRA, you can add a file here, or just from your computer. Okay, very simple. If not, you can upload that to Hugging Face also, and just give it the URL. So it's very simple, guys. The results are amazing. You can use Grok or NSFW. I just tested right now, and NSFW is amazing and it's very natural. To keep consistency, of course, you can use the same prompt, so the settings of the model will be the same, and use custom LoRA, which is highly recommended. As you can see, it's very easy to train. You can play with these settings, ask ChatGPT what to do better. But I think with this one, you can get decent results. Let me know in the comments, guys, how it works for you. And yeah, it's very cheap. There is no reason to actually run it on ComfyUI. I mean, it's maybe the same or maybe even cheaper. I don't know. Because it's really fast, as you can see here. You can give it to your VA, whatever. So this is everything for today. Very quick, very simple, very effective. And you learned today how to run that image without any ComfyUI, and how to train the LoRA also easily on WaveSpeed. So see you on the next video. If you didn't join yet to my Telegram free group, you can see the links down below. And if you are confused or don't know what to do exactly with your model and you don't see any result yet, so you can contact me also on DM or Telegram, and I would love to help you with anything. See you on the next video. Peace.